Welcome to the 5th attempt filming a video. It is a running session of my, well, 9 gauge locomotive. I did it up to look like a Donegal Railway locomotive. So, yeah. It's Kato chassis and it was made by Double O Marpo. Now, I've made one addition, which was this, which is supposed to be the air pipe. Yeah. It's not fast, but it's kind of fast. Quite a fast locomotive. I know it's quite fast. But yeah. So, that's Double O Gauge locomotive. Hope you enjoyed it. And I'll just give my 66 a quick run. Yeah, if any of you guys have got N-gauge rolling stock that you don't want, I'm happy to take it. And or just feature stuff in videos. Damn it, Alexa. I hope there's no music playing and that there's going to be copyright. If there's any form of copyright, I completely apologise and it's just accidental. Although I don't know how to add music to videos. So if you got any requests for any train formations, then please do tell me. I'll show you what I've got. So I've got that, this. Computer, stop. Got this. Got tanker. Got what I would call a dogfish wagon. Need some dogfish wagons actually, and some pilchard wagons in N-gauge. Got a 7-plank truck, I think. My absolute favourite, the 5-plank. If anybody has any of these they don't want, please let me have them. 2 BR coaches. And 2 Glacier Express coaches. Locomotives consist of Pania Class 66, which I weathered myself. This little guy, this thing, and that one. Yeah. This one will eventually be I will fit the cut plane to pull N-gauge rolling stock. Need to figure out how to fit it and take it off so that I can put the 009 gauge one on. But yeah. Thanks for watching. Please let me know what kind of videos you like, and please do answer the questionnaire thing I put up. And goodbye.